And control centers around the country are now sounding the alarm, warning about a growing and dangerous trend of patients dosing themselves with weeks and even months worth of the popular weight loss drug Ozempic in one sitting. NewsNation's Elizabeth Prann has the very latest. Elizabeth, I think a lot of people will be surprised to hear this. How significant is this uptick in overdoses?
I mean, it's a huge uptick, Markie. If you look at some of the numbers coming out of poison control centers, we're talking a 1,500% increase. One thing to remember, though, that this was not being used for off-label purposes years prior to really the Ozempic bust, right? Prior to 2019 when we saw celebrities endorse this product. But the FDA does have an adverse reporting system. And what they tell us is that they have had well over 150 calls of either of an adverse reaction or an overdose of semaglutide and 26 deaths related to it. Ozempic is 104 and closer to 3 deaths, so the majority are linked to off-brand substitutes. So the FDA approved has lines of Ozempic and Wegovy, but the problem is that people are using compounded pharmacies, right? It's a supply and demand issue. Maybe it's cheaper. Another thing is that people are asking their doctor, as you mentioned, for a more potent dose of something like Ozempic or Wegovy because they simply want it to last longer, but they don't necessarily know how to microdose. So they're delivering either 10 or 20 times the correct amount. So what are the common signs? What if you're at home and maybe you are experimenting? Well, you could feel nauseous, you could vomit, you could have diarrhea, you can have abdominal pain, pancreatitis. If you are sick, Markie, certainly talk to your healthcare provider. These products can be used safely. You just have to have someone helping you, assisting you, and monitoring your dosage. Markie?
Yeah, and serious symptoms to look out for. Elizabeth Prann, thank you so much. Thanks for watching, everybody. Go to joinnn.com to find NewsNation on your television provider. Also, don't forget to click that red subscribe button below to get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.